Okay, welcome back to the show, everybody. I am the ichiMoka trader, and today I'm going to quickly go through my trades. Today is March 14th, 2020, and I only ended up, there was four different stocks that came up on the scanners. I actually started a bit late today and did not notice the hour movement ahead. Where I am, we didn't do that. So, anyways, I came up with MULN, AGRI, TRQ, and BEKE. So this was great because all of these stocks were shortable. So, as you know, as an ichiMoku trader, I am not biased one way or the other. I don't care if I'm going long, short, up or down. As long as I make money on the actual ichiMoka trading strategy that I've developed. So, it's not a difficult thing to follow, but you do have to make sure that you're following the mechanical ins and outs. Try not to trade too emotionally. So here we are, started out with Agri. Actually, I think the first stock I did was on BEKE. So let's just start with the first one. It was just a gorgeous setup. And let's just take a look here. So we're going to start in here, and right away I'm looking at when I can get in, mainly because right now I have a green ichiMoku cloud. So in seeing that, I know that I'm going to go long. I'm above this pink line here, which is your volume weighted average, your VWAP. We have a more lagging indicator here is clear of all the candles and clear of any of the clouds. It's also above on the cloud. Our blue line is above our orange line. So right now we are looking at going long on this trade. I'm waiting in my strategy to ensure that I wait for these to cross in below the 10. Below the 10 means long. Above the 80 or 90 for me is going to be going short. So here, let's just take a look here on the MACD as well. We are above on the MACD, above the midway point, which means we are okay to go long as well. So right now, I'm just looking for my entry point, and here we come. We're getting very much closer. This is definitely in the white area here, so I'm waiting for that to cross. So at the end of this candle, I push the go button. Actually, I use Book Trader and Interactive Brokers. I will be doing a quick tutorial on that as well. This here is a great way. The Book Trader is a great way to trade kind of from the chart. It's almost like trading on charts. But anyways, when I seen this this hair here, this wick on the bottom of that candle, I thought, yeah, it touched here on one of the, it's like a moving average in the ichiMoku indicator. When you go to indicator here and you pick ichiMoku cloud, it'll be part of that strategy. So anyways, it touched off that line and it reversed here. So on the end of this candle, I said, I'm going long on this one. I got filled right here. And let's take a look and see what happened on this. All right. So as soon as this candle actually closed up here, I moved my stop loss to the break-even point. I want to protect as much profit as possible. So I'm going to move my stop loss up here as quickly as possible to the cloud. Normally, I'll start like if I have a cross like this here, where I'm close with these two moving averages, I'll put my stop right in here, just below there. Or if I don't have that, I would put it on the other side of the VWAP. But in this case, this is what happened. As soon as I got into the profit there, I moved that to the break even, and that's why this black line's here. I'm trying to show how I move my profit protection there. So let's move to the next. Okay, so on this next one, I created my next stop. So I moved my stop in my Book Trader on Interactive Brokers to the top of this candle. I want to protect as much as I can. I don't care if I get 10 small winners or small losses, because I know in this strategy, eventually one day I'll get $1, $2, $3 moves without getting taken out of the trade. So it's more about consistency, and just keeping consistent in every single trade that you do has to be mechanical. That's how you're able to adjust and manage your risk. So let's just take a look on this next one. I moved again. So I moved my stop loss up. I'm protecting, what is that, 11 cents now. I moved my stop up again. Now I'm protecting, what is that, another 10 cents, 11 cents, or 22 cents. And I just want to keep moving that stop up. I have zero risk right now. So why would I keep my stop below my break even? Okay, so at the end of this candle, when I saw this candle up there, I'm looking here, we're past the midway point on the RSI stochastics. This blue is actually, line is crossed above the 90. It's actually right at 97.91. I mean, this is a great opportunity to get out and protect my profits. So that's exactly what I did. I got out, I protected my profits, and that was on BEKE. So that's 1,000 shares. I bought it 9.45. I sold it 10.22 with a 77-cent profit for a 770 euro profit. So super happy about that. There's another opportunity later on. I didn't go in. I'm not going to go into it on this video. Same with this one over here. So let's get right into Agri. Agri is, this one started, piqued my interest. We have a green cloud in the front. We have a lagging indicator clear of the cloud and the candles. And we have our blue was above. Right now it's kind of crossed here. I'm still interested because they can cross back very easily. Here we have, we are above the MACD. So this definitely is another spot saying long. And then here we got a cross below the 90. So I'm looking at getting in. Where's my entry point? So, oh, sorry about that. Bring it back over here. So where is my entry point on this stock? Okay, this is where I want to be paying attention. I've crossed there, and let's move ahead a little bit. Move ahead. Now these are interesting because these long hairs here do give you an indication that it's respecting this VWAP, this line here, this pink line. So it is. Looks like these long tails here are pointing, up. So let's continue. And at the end of this candle, when this had touched here, this had opened up. When this candle closed, I hit my button and I was filled at 405. We'll continue on. All right. At this point, I moved my my stop. So this, I immediately moved my break even up. Let's get rid of this. I don't want to see that. Okay, immediately move my stop loss back up to here. That's why the black line's there. As soon as this candle closed, I moved my stop up. So now I'm protecting more of my profit. Not a huge amount of profit at that point, but we're still looking at making this. This is the high of day so far. I'm thinking we're going to move up to that point. Let's keep going. Okay, so now I move my stop again to the top of this wick here on this candle, trying to protect more profit. Now you can decide where you want to protect. You don't want to get taken out of it and then it continue to run or something. So at the end of this candle, I moved another stop. I moved my stop up again to protect those profits. Okay, I didn't move it up. I should have, but I was doing some analysis on other stocks. Looking at this one here, we are above here. I bet you this thing is going to drop. I may as well get out of the trade. And there you go. It actually took me out on my stop that I placed here. So in this trade, it was AGRI, and I bought at 405, 2,000 shares, and I sold at 418 for a 13-cent profit of 260 euro. So that is, for me, that was a great trade. I think we deserve a bit of an applause. Thank you very much. Total amount today is 1030, so that's 1,030 euro. I decided to cut off because I got to go travel today. It turned out to be a great day. You know that I only took 2 trades. How many momentum traders out there took 10, 20, 30, 40, 100 trades today already? I'm not that trader anymore. I used to trade kind of that way until I figured this strategy, and I'm at a total of 63 trades since January 31st. I have 52 wins with 11 losses for an 82.5% success rate, and my P&L is 1 to 2.13. My biggest win, 1775, and my biggest loss, 280. That was a stressful day because both those were on the same day. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the show. I hope that you see how ichiMoka's strategy, or the ichiMoka strategy, is a little more relaxed, more tranquilo. You sit back, you have your mocha and or your coffee, and you watch what's happening. You wait for the setups, you get in, you get out, you make some money, and everybody's happy. So anyways, thank you very much for watching this show. And I will be back, I think Thursday or Friday. I will be posting my recap. Thank you for watching.